So welcome back. It's getting to that time of year where we're all running out of time. There's not a great deal of spare time to get into the cars. So I'm going to try and bring a few short videos through where we're at with the XK. So where we're at with this one at the moment, the bonnet's all good and straight. It's ready for another couple of coats of high fill primer. And then that's just going to sit, get bolted on the car and let it sit so it all settles and shrinks back before we then go around and longboard the whole car. The boot lid, obviously the back repair's all done. We've done our rough fill on there and filled it back. And when we blocked it back, I'm fairly ordinary putting filler on, so there was pinholes everywhere. So rather than going out and getting a second product like a fine fill to go over the top of that, what I've done is I've got a small can of fiberglass resin and just the standard filler that we used on the rest of the car, and you just mix a tiny bit of the fiberglass resin into the filler before you put your hardener in until you get the consistency you're after. Then we mix the hardener in and it actually lets you lay the filler on really easy. It gives you a longer dry time and it makes it really easy for someone like me to work it. So if you're not used to using filler, it's actually a really good thing, and it sands back pretty good as well. So I've been at this for about, say, an hour all up tonight. I've filled the entire back edge and I've half blocked that back there. So now I'm just going to get in and do the rough in on this one, and we'll get in and have a look and see what it looks like after that. Okay, so we're going to call it here for tonight. So if you have a look down here, yes, we've rubbed through to some of the fiberglass fill on the initial coat, but we've managed to get rid of all of the pinholes that were up through here, and it's blocked back pretty nicely. Still needs work, definitely. So what I'm going to do is, in the next day or so, I'm going to come back in and I'll probably run through putting that resin in the filler and show you that. And we're going to fill from here back, and I'll probably do a light coat the whole way across, because here there's a low spot there and then up into here, and there's a couple more shallow ones up here that aren't really as deep as these two, but we'll give it a really light coat because it actually goes on really thin. It's almost transparent when it goes on. So we'll do those, build those couple of spots there up, do a light coat across the whole thing, block that all back, and then it should be ready to hit with some fire fill. And then from there, it's a case of finding all the bits that we've missed once we've guide coated it. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later. Bye.